Hello guys, welcome back for another video of So to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset manually an Audi Q7. This one comes from 2012. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, So to Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. If you have any questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start out of the way. Q7 2012. We're gonna use this area over here. Press menu button, then scroll with this to car. Press button. Then what you need to know is these red lines represent these 4 buttons over here. We're gonna go to car systems, so the left one on the bottom, press that. Then you can scroll with the wheel button to servicing and resetting. Press again and you'll see that the next oil change is due to 12,000. By pressing the wheel button again, you'll change or reset the oil change interval. So once again, real quick, menu button, scroll to car, this button at the menu button, go with the scroll button to service intervals, press again, scroll down and press the menu button again. So this is how you can reset the service interval of an Audi Q7 2012. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.